Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Revolut Commodities Trading. This tutorial will walk you through the process of trading commodities on the Revolut platform. First, it is essential to understand what commodities are. Commodities are raw materials or goods that can be bought and sold, such as gold, oil, and wheat. Trading commodities allows you to speculate on the price movements of these goods. To start trading commodities on Revolut, you need to download the Revolut app and create an account. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Commodities section and choose the commodity you want to trade. Revolut offers a range of commodities, including precious metals, energies, and agricultural products. Before placing a trade, it is crucial to understand the different types of orders. A market order is an order to buy or sell a commodity at the current market price. A limit order is an order to buy or sell a commodity at a specific price. When placing a trade, you will need to decide on the amount you want to invest and the leverage you want to use. Leverage allows you to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital, but it also increases the risk of losses. It is also essential to understand the fees associated with trading commodities on Revolut. These fees include the spread, which is the difference between the buy and sell price, and any overnight fees. To manage your risk, it is crucial to set a stop loss, which is an order to automatically close a trade when it reaches a certain price. This will help limit your potential losses if the trade does not go in your favor. Finally, it is vital to stay up to date with market news and analysis to make informed trading decisions. Revolut provides real-time market data and news to help you stay ahead of the game. In conclusion, trading commodities on Revolut can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and speculate on the price movements of raw materials. By understanding the basics of commodities trading, using the right orders, and managing your risk, you can make the most of the Revolut platform and start trading like a pro.